Hey guys, Jamie here. Very quickly, I just wanted to show you a quick tip on how you can make your herbs last so much longer. Okay, so to keep the herbs fresher for longer, you're just going to need a chuck or a J-cloth. I'm just going to cut that in half. So I've got my two pieces. Can dip that in some cold water, and then you just wrap up the herbs. So this is some lemon thyme, just going to wrap that up, and then some sage. So the root can be sticking out, but just make sure all the leaves are covered. Roll that up, and then grab your cling film and wrap the herb up then in cling film. And then what that does is the wet chuck is keeping the herbs fresh, and then the cling film is preventing the chuck from drying out when it goes into the fridge. So that's it. They will last 5 times longer just by doing that, and it will only take you a second, and you'll have fresh, better tasting herbs for much longer. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.